Today we are going to install the new DRT Motorsports Segway Villain aluminum front grille. This grille fits the 2022 Plus Segway Villain SX10W, all models. Install time is about 15 to 25 minutes. Can be installed by yourself with a difficulty level of beginner. You will need this list of tools to complete the installation. So, gather the tools, and let's install. Let's start by removing the 3 factory 5mm Allen bolts that hold on the factory grille. Then, pull the grille forward and lift out to remove it. Next, grab the new DRT front mesh grille and set it in place, aligning the mounting holes and thread in the supplied 3 4mm Allen bolts, finger tight. Then, go back and tighten each one snugly, being careful not to over-tighten. Now, you are done. It's just that simple. Congrats, that completes your DRT Villain front grille. This front grille is an essential product for your UTV. The grille is laser cut from aluminum for a precise fitment, and no drill install. It protects the radiator from rocks and mud, while still allowing substantial air flow to the radiator for cooling. This grille is a must for riders who want better protection, cooling and aggressive styling for their Segway Villain SX10W. Until we meet on your next DRT install, be safe out there. If you have any questions during your installation, don't hesitate to contact us via phone or email. We are here to help.